Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Fluent Avenue X, where learning English is fun, easy, and practical. Today's lesson is all about talking about yourself in English. You will learn how to introduce yourself naturally, ask simple questions, and answer with confidence. Here's a question for you. Which 3 things should you always say when you introduce yourself to someone new? Listen carefully, because the answer is hidden inside today's story. Stay with us until the end, and let's start learning English together.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My name is Umair.
Nice to meet you, Umair. I'm Anam.
Nice to meet you too, Anam.
Are you new here?
Yes, today is my first day at the Community English Club.
Really? Welcome.
Thanks. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone is friendly here.
That's good to hear.
So, where are you from?
I'm from Chicago.
Oh, nice. I live in Seattle.
Seattle is a beautiful city.
Thank you. Do you still live in Chicago?
No, I moved here last month for a new job.
Congratulations.
Thanks. Everything is still new to me.
You'll get used to it.
I hope so.
What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
That sounds interesting.
I enjoy making logos and websites.
That's creative.
What about you?
I'm a nurse.
Wow, that must be busy.
Sometimes, yes, but I like helping people.
That's wonderful.
Thank you.
What do you like to do after work?
I enjoy hiking, reading, and trying new coffee shops.
Nice. I like photography and playing basketball.
Maybe you'll find a basketball team here.
I hope so.
Do you have family nearby?
No, my parents live in another state.
Do you miss them?
Yes, I call them every weekend.
That's sweet.
They always ask, "Are you eating enough?"
My parents ask the same thing.
Maybe all parents have the same question.
I think so.
What do your friends call you?
Most people call me Anna.
That's a nice nickname.
Thanks.
Do you come here every week?
Yes, I never miss it.
I'm glad I came today.
Me too.
Excuse me, where's the coffee station?
It's right over there, next to the window.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you new here?
Yes, today is my first class.
Great. Welcome to our English club.
Thank you. I'm excited.
Can you introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Umair. I'm from Chicago. I'm a graphic designer. I like photography and basketball. It's nice to meet everyone.
Excellent. That was clear and friendly.
Thanks. I practiced at home.
It shows.
Really?
Yes. Just speak slowly and smile.
I'll remember that.
Good job.
Thank you very much.
Hi, Umair. How did it go?
It went well.
That's great.
The teacher said I spoke clearly.
See? You had nothing to worry about.
You're right.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please.
Sugar?
Just a little.
Here you go.
Thanks.
So, what do you think about the club?
I like it already.
Why?
Everyone is kind, and I can practice English.
That's the best way to improve.
I agree.
Do you have any goals?
Yes, I want to speak English more confidently.
You'll get there.
Thanks for encouraging me.
You're welcome.
Can I ask one more question?
Of course.
What should I say when I meet someone for the first time?
Keep it simple. Say your name. Say where you're from. Say what you do or what you enjoy. Then ask the other person a question.
That sounds easy.
It is. People enjoy friendly conversations.
I'll practice every day.
That's the secret.
Next week, I'll introduce myself without feeling nervous.
I believe you.
Thank you for your help today.
Anytime.
I'm happy we met.
Me too. See you next week.
See you.
Great job listening! Do you remember the answer to today's question? The 3 simple things to say when introducing yourself are your name, where you're from, and what you do or what you enjoy. Today, you also learned useful expressions like, "Hi, my name is," "Nice to meet you," "I'm from," "I work as," "I like," "What about you?" It's nice to meet you. See you next week! Thank you so much for learning English with Fluent Avenue X. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Here's today's question for you. If you met a new friend today, how would you introduce yourself in English? Write your introduction in the comments. We'd love to read it. See you in the next English lesson.